Are you tired of chaotic cupboards and disorganized pantries? Transform your kitchen into a well-organized haven with our free kitchen organization printables. In this video, we'll showcase and explain each printable designed to streamline your kitchen routine. First up, we have our labeling templates. These are perfect for categorizing your pantry items, spices, and more. Imagine clear labels for everything: pasta, rice, flour, and even your collection of herbs. Simply print them out, cut to size, and attach to containers. Next, let's talk about our grocery list printable. This comprehensive list is divided into categories like produce, dairy, meats, and household essentials. Keep it on your fridge, and each time you run out of an item, just mark it down. By the time your grocery day rolls around, you'll have an organized list ready to go, ensuring you never forget a thing. The meal planning sheets are another essential tool. Plan your weekly meals in advance, save time, and reduce stress. Each sheet has sections for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, plus a notes area for those extra reminders. Stick it on the fridge, so the whole family knows what's for dinner. Finally, our kitchen cleaning checklist ensures you stay on top of chores. With daily, weekly, and monthly tasks clearly outlined, you can maintain a spotless kitchen effortlessly. Think of it as your personal assistant in checklist form. To get started, simply download these printables from the link in the description, print them out, and start organizing. Your dream kitchen is just a few steps away. Happy organizing!